Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit PDF in Canva. So here we are on canva.com. I want you to just come here and click on upload, and then we'll click on upload files. So this will open up our file explorer right here. So let me get a PDF file that I would like to go ahead and edit. So I do have, okay, let's do the CV I was working on. So we'll open that up right here on Canva. As you can see, it is currently uploading. I'll just go ahead and click on this right here. So you'll open this up in the same tab. And once it is done opening up, guys, once it fully loads up, everything you see in this PDF becomes editable. Okay, we're able to edit anything and everything we would like. So let's wait for this for now. All right, there we go. I can zoom in. Okay, you can use your mouse or you can use a slider as well. Let's say you want to get rid of one of the references. Okay, I can just come here and delete this, and I can delete this one as well. Or maybe you wanted to change their name, right? You can make this a Dr. Julius, right? Once you're done doing your edits, you can come to the top right, click on share, click on download, and then change the file type to PDF. And then you can go ahead and download it. As you can see, it has currently started downloading this PDF file. All right, so I can open this up in a new tab. And then if I go back to the last page, there we go. The edit